Did you know there's an octopus that can escape any trap? Yeah, you could lock this genius in Fort Knox and it would still break out. Meet the common octopus, nature's ultimate Houdini. But here's the twist. Its entire body is pure muscle with zero bones. Therefore, it can fit through spaces smaller than its beak. And get this, they've been caught stealing crabs from fishermen's traps. But wait, there's a spooky reason they're this smart. Octopuses have 500 million neurons, more than dogs, with two-thirds in their arms that think independently. So next time you lose your keys, remember, this eight-armed genius could probably pick the lock, steal your car, and drive it into the ocean before you even